dish a story, every spice a dream. From the kitchen to your soul, it's a lifestyle thing. When she cook, flavor fill the room. If it's kitchen, bring that magic bloom. She dey mix taste with class and smile. Simple living with a touch of style. From food to fashion, love all the way. If it's kitchen, light up your day.
If it's kitchen, lifestyle, cooking joy with every style. Taste the love, live the vibe. If it's kitchen, where dreams come alive. From the pot to the plate, from your heart to your space. If it's kitchen and lifestyle,
living flavor,
living grace.